This is a tutorial on how to batch synchronize your video recordings after you've completed a session. In this case, we've got a set of 5 recordings with ultrasound and lip video. We can see when we move through the recording, we get to a certain frame or set of a couple of frames where we've got this flash. This indicates that the synchronization is working correctly. And the little sort of indentations along the side of the flash indicate that this image is interlaced. If we look carefully at the tick marks along the top of the video, we can also see that they are irregular, and that is, they are not evenly spaced. We want to set the frame rate for the video and to align the video, that flash on the video, with this synchronization pulse. In this recording, the synchronization pulse has been recorded on channel 1. It is currently recommended that the synchronization pulse should be recorded on channel 2 along with the sync signal for the ultrasonic, but we will proceed with this synchronization signal on channel 1. So if we go to the video image and right click, we can select video setup. Now in the video setup we have first tab, synchronization hardware. We want to make sure that that is set to sync bright up and that we have the correct channel selected, in this case channel 1. For sync new recording, we want to do the batch mode of synchronization, which is this set of boxes at the bottom. First off, we need to ensure that the date is the same as the date of your current session, so we'll change this 09 and 01 2020. This checkbox for current client only means that although there may be other clients recorded on this same date, it is only this client that will be synchronized. It is possible to uncheck this if you want to synchronize a whole set of clients recorded on the same day. Now you have two options to synchronize. You can either retain the interlaced video, in which case you'll get 29.97 frames per second, or what we're going to do here is de-interlace. This gives us twice the frame rate, but we need to manually set that to 59.94, it's twice the frame rate. And we want to then check the de-interlace button so that it de-interlaces. And now we can just proceed with the sync offset, so we'll press that. Now here we've got an error because either the flash is missing or the synchronization pulse is missing, or it's possible that the flash is outside the range in which it's expected to be found, and we can go back and change this. So if you go into sync hardware and advanced, we can increase this time that we search for the flash to 800 milliseconds, for instance, and attempt to resynchronize. And this time it has worked. Close this. We can look through this recording. Now we should see where it goes black in the pulse at the top here. If I zoom in on this, we should see for these 4 pulses here, we should see in the image 4 bright squares, and then when we get to the end of these 4 pulses it should stop, and that's it synchronized.